Welcome to Through Nahal's Lens, your gateway to the cutting edge of innovation and the world of technology. Every day we explore the latest trends, breakthroughs, and the people shaping the future of technology.
This is the world's first commercial biological computer running on living human cells. The CL1 computer is the brainchild of Melbourne-based Cortical Labs. The neurons will be integrated at this location, according to Han Wang-Chong, the CEO and founder.
Unlike using artificial neural networks, we grow real biological neurons into networks onto computer chips.
Derived neurons with silicon, forming a new type of AI called synthetic biological intelligence. Instead of relying on artificial neural networks, we cultivate actual biological neurons and connect them into networks on computer chips.
We take blood or skin and we can transform them into stem cells, and from stem cells into brain cells or neurons that we then use them for compute and intelligence.
Far less energy. By taking blood or skin cells, we can convert them into stem cells, which are then developed into brain cells or neurons used for processing and intelligence. Han explains that the neurons are cultivated on a silicon chip with small electrical contacts, linking them to the digital hardware, supported by an artificial life support system to keep the cells functioning properly. We have pumps that function like the heart, waste reservoirs, filtration units similar to kidneys, and a gas mixer to regulate carbon dioxide, oxygen, and nitrogen levels. Han believes the CL1 could transform drug testing and personalized medicine. With this technology, we may be able to grow neurons from patients with conditions like dementia or epilepsy and test various compounds and drugs, allowing treatments to be customized and tailored to each patient. However, Han sees even greater potential for the CL1, suggesting it could mark the beginning of a new era in AI. In the near future, it could be applied to life sciences, personalized medicine, and drug discovery. But the company's long-term goal is to create a new type of computing where these neurons can process information at faster speeds, with less data and greater energy efficiency, making intelligence more accessible without the high costs. CL1 computers are intended for use in laboratories and research facilities capable of cultivating their own cells. They will be made to order and ready for shipment later this year. It may sound like science fiction, but Han claims that the CL1 can learn and adapt at a much faster rate than conventional silicon-based AI while using significantly less energy. We extract cells from blood or skin, convert them into stem cells, and then develop them into brain cells or neurons, which are used for computing and intelligence. The world has just witnessed the unveiling of the first-ever biological computer, a revolutionary creation that merges human brain cells with silicon hardware to form an entirely new type of AI. This groundbreaking technology, called the CL1, was developed by the Australian company Cortical Labs and is expected to redefine the future of artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional AI systems, the CL1 is more adaptable, learns at a faster pace, consumes less energy, and operates with greater efficiency than existing technologies. This innovation, known as Synthetic Biological Intelligence (SBI), was officially introduced in Barcelona on March 2, 2025. Experts believe it could lead to major advancements in medical research and beyond. What makes the CL1 so powerful is its ability to continuously learn and adapt, just like a human brain. Unlike traditional AI chips that require extensive training time and massive computing power, the CL1 can quickly absorb new information and outperform existing AI models, including those used in systems like ChatGPT. The most exciting part is that, in the coming months, people will finally get to experience its full capabilities firsthand. Dr. Han Wang-Chong, the founder and CEO of Cortical Labs, described the launch as the most significant achievement in the company's 6-year journey. He highlighted the major breakthroughs they've made over the years, including their groundbreaking research published in Neuron, where human brain cells were trained using electrical signals to play the classic game Pong in a simulated environment. However, Dr. Chung emphasized that their ultimate goal has always been to make this technology accessible to everyone without the need for complex hardware or software. And with the CL1, that vision has finally become a reality. How did the world first learn about this technology? Cortical Labs first gained worldwide attention in 2022 when they created a self-learning computer brain by placing 800,000 human and mouse neurons onto a chip. They then trained this living network to play a video game, showing just how powerful it could be. What exactly is the CL1 biocomputer? The CL1 biocomputer operates within a sophisticated system designed to keep the human brain cells inside it alive and functioning. Dr. Chung highlighted that while this is a major technological breakthrough, the true potential of synthetic biological intelligence will only become clear once people start using it in real-world applications. Adding to the excitement, Cortical Labs is introducing a groundbreaking model called Wetware as a Service. This allows customers to either purchase the CL1 biocomputer or access its brain-powered processing remotely through the cloud. Dr. Chung believes this platform will empower researchers, developers, and innovators worldwide, providing them with the tools to explore new frontiers in AI and scientific discovery. The potential applications of the CL1 are vast. It could revolutionize drug discovery, clinical trials, and even how robotic intelligence is built, making it more adaptive and customizable for different needs. Cortical Labs plans to make the CL1 widely available in the second half of 2025, signaling a major leap forward for the company. During a recent visit to Cortical Labs' Melbourne headquarters, researchers discovered that the CL1's capabilities extend far beyond just playing Pong. The range of possibilities is truly limitless. The journey to CL1, a new form of intelligence. Science writer LZ Blaine has been closely following Cortical Labs' groundbreaking work in developing a self-learning neural network capable of adapting and creating new pathways in response to stimuli. Back in 2023, Brett Kagan, the chief scientific officer, described this technology as something entirely different from human or animal intelligence, a new form of life altogether. He explained that this is a mechanical and engineering-based approach to intelligence, powered by biological neurons, but structured in a way never seen before. Cortical Labs has come a long way since the early days of its DishBrain experiments, both in terms of technology and strategy. Now, with the launch of the CL1, researchers have the opportunity to explore its potential and apply this revolutionary technology to real-world problems. When a group of researchers visited Cortical Labs' Melbourne headquarters late last year, they witnessed firsthand the impressive advancements in biotechnology. The CL1 is designed with simpler, more reliable hardware and improved methods for maintaining and optimizing the biological neural network. Kagan and his team are now working toward what they call the minimal viable brain, a small yet fully functional neural system capable of independent learning and problem-solving. In 2022, Cortical Labs demonstrated how they could integrate rodent and human stem cells into high-density multi-electrode arrays using advanced CMOS technology. This allowed neurons to communicate efficiently, but the real challenge was teaching them to learn and adapt. The team solved this by introducing a reward-punishment system. When neurons created stable, efficient outcomes, they were reinforced. When their actions led to chaos, they were discouraged. This discovery laid the foundation for the CL1's remarkable learning capabilities. The new CL1 system represents a significant improvement over the original CMOS-based platform. The old chip provided detailed neuron readings, but had major limitations. It was opaque, making the cells hard to observe and struggled to manage electrical charges, which could damage the neurons over time. The CL1 solves these issues with a streamlined, more stable design that allows precise control of electrical currents, keeping the neurons balanced and functioning properly for longer periods. At the core of the CL1 are lab-grown neurons placed on a planar electrode array, a simple yet effective setup of metal and glass containing 59 electrodes. This creates a stable network, giving scientists fine control over neuron activity. The system is housed in a life support unit that Kagan compares to a body in a box. It includes advanced systems for filtration, liquid storage, gas mixing, circulation, and temperature control, ensuring the neurons remain healthy and responsive. Cortical Labs is currently building the world's first biological neural network server stack at their Melbourne lab. This system will consist of 30 individual units, each containing its own neuron-based electrode array. In just a few months, this cutting-edge setup is expected to go live, ushering in a new era for artificial intelligence and redefining the boundaries of machine learning.
One way we like to think about this is that if Neuralink is to try to put a chip into a brain, why not go the other way and put the brain onto the chip?
If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support helps me create more high-quality content like this. And by subscribing, you'll stay updated with my latest videos on cutting-edge science, technology, and beyond. Just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your time and support.